Here. अद्वैतः प्रकटीकृतो नरहरि पृष्ठ स्वरूप प्रियो नित्यानंद सख सनातन गति श्री रूप हृतकेतन लक्ष्मी प्राणपतिर्गदाधर सुलासी जगन्नाथ भू सांगोपांग सपार्षदं सजयतां देवः सचिनंदन गुरुवर्थे तक्त राज्यो व्यचरद अनुवनम पद्म पद्मभ्याम प्रियायाः पानी स्पर्शा क्षमाभ्याम मृजत पथरुजो जो हरीन्द्र अनुजाभ्याम वैरूप्यात् सुरपनख्या प्रिय विरह रुषा आरोपित भ्रू विजृंभ त्रस्तावधिर्बद्ध सेतु खलदव दहन कौशलेन्द्रो अवतानन अपदाम अपहंतारम दातारम सर्वसंपदाम लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे I first offer my Danmat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत शिष्य भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज नित्य पृष्ठोम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज all Sri Rupan Guru Vargas Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas. So you heard last Thursday Ram Janma Leela's Katha, how Ramacandra took birth in Ajodhya. He got all sanskar after he went with Vishwamitra. Baksar killed to Tadka, Marich, throughout Subahu, came to Janakpur, broken the Shiv Dhanush, Sita Ram Vivah, and returned to Ajodhya. Dasrath Maharaj, so happy. His all desires are fulfilling. So all sons are very nice behave. Or Ram is deity of behavior, is guru of behavior. He so nicely behaved to everyone, with brother, with mother, with families, with friends, with whole Ajodhya Vasis. So everyone loved to Ramacandra so much. Everyone thinking Ram is life and life, soul of soul. But that is really, because he's Bhagavan, so he's the conscious of conscious. So who no love soul? Everyone love himself. So he's soul of soul, so all love him. Dasara Maharaj only one last desire. He won't just give to Sri Ramachandra's Ajodhya's kingdom. One day, Dasarath Maharaj is sitting. Just mind came see himself. He took one mirror and looking on face. He saw his nearby ear, some hairs are grey. श्रवण समीप भय सित केसा मानहु जरठपन अस उपदेशा. Dasrath Maharaj, when looks this gray hair, is realize these hairs are teaching to me, now your age over, your old age came. So, what is your age goal, life goal you get to that? This age should go to some alone some area and do some meditation, do some bhajan for Prabhu. So he's like to give this Jubraj Pad, this kingdom to Ram. But this is big responsibility. So he went to his Guru Dev, Vasisht Muni, and his heart thing said, Vasisht Muni very happy. Then Dasrath Maharaj called one big assembly, all ministers and all great personalities are there. There came. Then Maharaj Dasrath is discussing with them. All are saying, yes, this is good idea. Front you, if give Ramachandra's Rajyabhishek, this type festival we want. This is our goal, this is our no desire. Who no want Ramachandra Rajyabhishek? His all qualities are so attractive. Ramachandra never criticize anyone. He never make any rude, no his harshness, no any very polite, very soft, very proper behavior. So we like to Ramachandra be king of Ajodhya. Maharaj, you do like this, he giving so much as happiness. Then Vasisht Muni looking time, saying, good things, Subhasya Sigram. Good things, not wait for tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, some day after. So Maharaj, tomorrow you can give Ramachandra Rajyabhishek. Because I'm looking Jyotish Shastras, and there is some not good, some complicated time coming, some dangerous times are coming. According to your Rasis or name, your chart, it's not good now. This time, some critical time. So this thing quickly do. So Maharaj also, this message pass everywhere. All ministers and all followers and all workers are start to do work, start to decorating Ajodhya's Nagari, city of Ajodhya's, decorating street, decorating home, decorating door, windows, courtyard, everywhere doing nice decoration, putting colors and banana trees and making by colors some no art, different type decoration doing, and many type sound, many type instrument are blowing, no? Blowing. Like violins, mridangas, nagadas, kartals, basuris, different, and many dancers are dancing, singers are singing, and all are very happy. Ramachandra meeting to his friends are too much embracing and too much happy, saying we are childhood friends from child, and we are very happy we become king of Ajodhya. Ramachandra give everyone affections. He came to Kausalya mother house, and this message passed. Maharaj, father is giving me kingdoms. Mother becomes so happy. She taking artis and giving Ramachandra so much auspicious, so much blessing, doing artis and putting some rice, some turmeric, some flower on Ramachandra head, and so much blessing to Ram. Lakshman heard very happy, Sita Devi's heard very happy. Vishwamitra one order pass. Tonight Ramachandra follow nicely, fast. Sita Devi also fast and worship to Shiva, Ganesh, what is no Kulas, Devtas, and take benediction from them, take bless from them, and tomorrow they sit to throne of Ajodhya's kingdom of Ajodhya. So these all things going nicely, all are happy. That time, one servant of Kaikai, her name is Manthara. She also came in the street and looking what is going. All are very happy, all are dancing. She asking, what is this? Saying, you don't know? Tomorrow's Ram become Ajodhya's king. Bolo Raja Ramacandra ki. So when Mantra heard this sound, she feel like some hot oil putting his ear, or maybe hot iron. And she's so upset and came to Kaikai place and telling, this is not good. Now your very bad time is coming because tomorrow Ramchandra become king of Ajodhya. When Kaikai mother heard this thing, she's saying, oh Mantre, what you want? She own necklace and many valuable things. She start to giving her like donation, like gift. He passed this time message to me. This is like nectar. Oh, I think this day when come. Then Kaikai saying, okay, but he don't know what is secret program. You just think Dasat Maharaj is my hand. Ram is very soft, very simple. Kausalya also good. But this no, this long time ago. Time change everything. Now Kausalya become Rajrani, Rajmatas. Ram become king. You are become like one fly of milk. Some fly drop by force in milk. Milkman throw out him. No allow him drink to milk and make to problem for milk. So when Mantra is speaking like that, then Kaika is so angry, saying, Mantra, what happened today? Auspicious time you are speaking like this. Shastra, nice thing telling, truth thing saying, who are crooked, who are dasis, and who are not good lachan, not good symptom, this type persons, associate, talk, and relationship, all are no, unauspicious. Ghar phori, you like to break another person's house. I hearing this thing next time I no want to hear this type. If do, then I will hang to you. I take your tongue out and by that tongue I hang to you. Like that. This type talking also Kaika little is smiling. Actually, this all argument by demigods. When they heard Ramchandra will become king of Ajodhya, then there's so much fear, so much disturbed, upset. If Ram stay Ajodhya, not good forest, then who will kill Rama and Kumbhakarna and these all asuras? Or how long they will stay this earth? We have no new species. So for own selfish, own problem, they change Manthura's mind, sent to Saraswati, or Saraswati changed to Mathura mind. When Mathura talking like this team, that this change also going to Kaikai. Beginning Kaikai not believe, but now she also starts slowly changing on asking Mantra, what you telling? What is meaning? Then Mantra said, one time I told, again I don't want to tell like that. Because he already is saying, oh, bad ladies, you are gharphoris. So I know that. Because I am telling good for you. If you Bharat not become king, then you are here no more than Dasi. So like this time many bird telling, Kaika saying, what I do this situation? You have become more bad than Dasis. This type life I no want to live. Then Mantra said, you have two benediction near Maharaj. And that benediction take now, this is good time. But very careful, do these all things. Don't your heart show anyone. Just keep your things, your mind, and go Kopa Bhavan. We are doing to man. This room go and take man, be angry. No talk, no eat, just do man. So outside so much auspicious going, but inside mantras, all things changing. And Kaikai becomes so angry, or saying, I can live myself, I can stay my father house, but I cannot stay under Kausalya's and Ram and this and that. She went and become man, angry. Dasharatha Maharaj looking everything okay, but Kaikai saw her. So he went to Kaikai's house and asking to Dasis saw, he went to that room, Kaikai sleeping on ground, wearing very heavy clothes, like baggage, this type. And sleeping on ground, when Dasharatha Maharaj went, she's looking Dasharatha Maharaj like black sea snake. Dasharatha Maharaj could not understand what is this going. He came close and asking Devi, today very good day, why you so much upset, angry? Kaikai not speaking, too much angry. Maharaj again tried to ask, and she again showing angry. Maharaj could not understand which lila is this going, what is going on. Thinking this is too much love and affection or something. But slowly Dasharatha Maharaj understood this disease is not easy. This problem is very difficult, very strong. Then Dasharatha Maharaj start to promising, O Devi, O Mirganaini, O Kokil Baini, O Bhamini, O Sundari, what your heart problem, tell me, who's disturb you? Maybe some are said some hard language. Who said like that? You tell me, I can punish him, punishment to him. Even Jamraj, anyone, if anything said you and disrespect you, I can punishment to them. But you tell what you want. I'm myself promising. If no believe, I promise to Ramacandra. You just tell truth things and I can solve that things. Then Kaikai asked. He always saying, I will do, but he never do. Dasharatha Maharaj asked, what I not did? Kaikai Maharani is saying, do you know I have 2 benediction with you? Saying yes, but he not give me. Dasharatha Maharaj say, ask and I also not remember. So this time you ask this thing, what you want take? Saying, no, Maharaj, you always saying take, but never giving. Then Dasharatha Maharaj said, promise to Ramacandra. He is my life and soul. I will give you what you want. I never change. When he promised to Ramacandra, I will give what you want, then Kaikai become very happy inside. And she's standing, and this cloth is keeping one side of sitting, like one hunter ladies, when look, deer is captured by net, then he try to pull that net, make more control. Because Dasharatha Maharaj promised to Ramacandra, that means under trap, he will never change. Then Kaikai asked, my first benediction, Bharat hi tika. I want Bharat become king of Ajodhya. Dasharatha Maharaj saying, no problem. Ram also, when heard, I become king of Ajodhya, then he also feel upset. He's telling, My all brothers, same time we took birth, same time all sanskar, same time went Gurukul, same time marriage, all ceremony same time, but why alone Ram is king of Ajodhya? Why not my Bharat or another brothers? Ram had no any greed for kingdom. And another benediction, that is Ramachandra's in tapasvi's form, leave Ajodhya and stay 14 years in forest. Ramachandra Banvas. 14 बरस राम बनवास, Ramu Banvas. When Dashrath Maharaj heard this, he faint, unconscious. When he came conscious, then asking, this is joke? Then Kaikeyi says, it's not a joke. It's serious. Seriously, I'm telling that. Why? Upset. Saying, no, Bharat becoming king, I know upset. But why is sending Ramchandra forest? What Ramchandra did wrong? Every day glorify to Ramchandra, today what happened? Then Kaikeyi said, I know. Ram sadhu, tum sadhu sayane. Kausalya, bhali sab pahichane. Ram is great sadhu. Ram is sadhu, or you are very intelligent sadhu. And Kausalya, what she is, I also know her. So just give me my benedictions. What you ask, I will give. I asking, you give. What you thought? I just ask, give me 200-gram chickpea and give me something, small things. I'm also, daughter of Kaikeyi countries, I also Maharani. My Bharat also Rajkumar. So he must be king. That's Maharaj saying, Bharat, no greed for kingdom. If you not change your bird, then whole life you will cry. If Bharat come, he will not take this kingdom. Or also without Ram, I will not live long. And Ramchandra go to forest. Then whole life you have to cry. So just change this bird. But Kaikeyi is saying no. He promised he will give, I asking I will take. Then Kaikeyi start to some Katha speaking, like Harishchandra, Sibi, Dadhichi, and another Bali. They lost everything, but no change on bird. He also time to time telling Raghukul Riti Sada Chali Ai, Pran Jai Parbaru, Bachan Na Jai. So Kaikeyi become like cruel, so hard. Dashrath Maharaj could not understand this Kaikeyi is how much I love, and see that much become like a snake. Whole life I'm carrying a snake in my neck. Today I realize. But this all Leelas, no. Ramchandra has go to forest and help to many rishis, munis, many Leelas killed to asuras. So make Kaikeyi this one role. If no be like that, then I now cannot go easier to forest. Anyhow, Dashrath Maharaj cannot move his faint to that Kaikeyi's house. And whole night lay down on ground, Haram, Haram, like this stepped out. Morning, Maharaj early wake up, but 2 days Maharaj no wake up. No came outside, no bath, no anything, no any pujas, no any auspicious doing. Sumantra also, his minister, morning early came to Maharaj house and looking Maharaj is on ground asking to Kaikeyi, Devi, what happened to Maharaj? Kaikeyi saying, nothing. I something asked these things. And after that, Maharaj Ram, Ram telling whole night. Sumantra understood. who see to Dasrath Maharaj also by indicating call to Ram. Also Kaikeyi is saying his medicine is Ram, call to Ram, because whole night is saying Ram and Ram. So Vishwamitra came to Ram place and said to Maharaj, calling you, an order of father is Guru. Father means Guru. Immediate Ramacandra, whose situation, why that situation start to walk. In Valmiki Ramayana saying Ramacandra to chariot came, but Ramchit Manas saying is, how was this way? Went to Dasrath Maharaj house, Kaikeyi Maharani's place. Maharaj on ground, unconscious. Ram asking to Mother Kaikeyi, Mother, what happened? Why father upset? Why father so sad? Is not talking, no looking. Then Kaikeyi all Katha said. When Ramacandra heard this, Bharat became king of Ajodhya and I have to go 14 years forest. Ramacandra saying, Mother, only 14 years? Why not long time? I get so good opportunities. Very nice, auspicious is my life. Because my father won't go forest, my mother also support these things. That means mother and father, parents both want go to forest. This situation, if I no go forest, then I am world number foolish. This world many people foolish. Some foolish people throw nectar, drink poisons, very nonsense do. But even this type foolish people also hear this type good news. They also follow these things. If I no follow this, then I more bigger foolish in world. So these small things, and father that much unhappy, mother I not believe. Then Kaikeyi say, no, my child, I promise you only this word, no more than that. Saying, Maharaj, very strong personality, a small bird is so much upset. Then saying, oh Tat, oh father, just he bless me. I go to just pranam to Kausalya mother and quickly return again pranam you, and today I will go forest. Dasarma just crying, Ram, Ram, no Ram, no Ram. Ramacandra left that area, came to Kausalya mother's place, pranam, and saying, Mother, father, give me forest kingdom. So I'm going forest, 14 years forest, and by your mercy, again I will return and again take your lotus feet darshan. When Kausalya mother heard, she unconscious, faint. That time Ramacandra wake up to Kausalya mother and telling everything. Mother, real son, no follow to mother father's bird. Kausalya said, yes, because your father said also mother want, Kaikeyi want you go forest. So this is good balance, blessing for you. O Lal, O Tat, O Ram, when you will again return and I can see this your face, this all your beauties. Mother this type telling her, what can say? Ramacandra came to Sita Devi's and telling you, stay with mother, take care. Sometime no feel good, then can go Janakpur, there sometime stay. And I will return after 14 years. Sita Devi is saying, Prabhu, without you, I have no life. Without soul, what value of body? Without water, what value of pond and rivers? And without you, I am also nothing. So where you will go, I will go there. Ramchandra is saying, no, forest is very dangerous, very hard. There are many animals, many cruel animals like lion, snake, pig, bear, monkeys, many forest things telling fierce things. Janki Devi is saying, Prabhu, where will you stay with you? I no feel any fear. I can serve to you. How you stay, this way you stay, where you stay, there is Ajodhya. Ramchandra realized if I leave to Sita, she will live, die. Okay, be ready. Then Lakshman came. Lakshman thinking, what Prabhu will tell for me? Ramchandra said, you stay Ajodhya. Now it's not Bharat here. No Shatrugna here. No anyone, so take care. Lakshman said, Prabhu, without you, I don't know anything. What is Ajodhya? I don't know. What is mother? What is father? What is guru? What is this world? I don't know. I know only your lotus feet. I'm your small baby. I don't know anything. So just take me with you. Or another things, why will go to forest in Valmiki Ramansa? This Maharaj no follow any rule regulation. He just undertook Keke, and it last night said you be king, on morning saying go to forest. This Maharaj put in jail, catch, and Bharat will come, we will see everything. And stay in Ajodhya, nothing to do, nothing to go outside. When Lakshman is speaking some strong word, Ramchandra saying, Lakshman, what is saying? Mother, father, whole life, how much giving, all forget. Just one order, 14 years go forest or again come Ajodhya. This is not big things. Even father say me, we go mountain, jump, you drink poison, you sink in water, give me your life. Any order I can follow. This is very small order. This we cannot say, I done everything for parents. Nothing to follow. Asrishta jo bhayesva virachita sarvada smana posat swaposyam. Mahopakarasya kim asitasya tuche na jane na banasya mocha. Mother, father's parents give to birth. Mother give to birth. Father take all type care, protect all type fear. When is small, mother, father, how much take care to babies from many things. Sometimes baby like it some unnecessary things. Sometimes catching knife. Sometimes go outside. Sometimes like to touch fire. So always, when sleeping, too much weight make cloth. Mother too much give protections. Father too much take care. Too much study. All thing. Or when time come to serve, that time if son say, okay, now my duty finish. How can they tell like that? So this is our time to serve parents. On what parents telling, we blindly follow. Agya Guru Naam hi avicharniya. Gurudev's order, don't make vichar. What to do, what to not do. What they're saying, this is auspicious for us. Lakshman, ready. I without you cannot stay. Ram said, okay. Take pranam, Sumitra mother, take permission or come. When Lakshman went to Sumitra mother, Sumitra said, if your Prabhu is going forest, you have no Ajodhya any activities. Your Ajodhya, where's Ramacandra Sita Devi, where's your father and mother? That is Ajodhya. I feel so glad I have one son who become so near, so dear to Ramacandra. This world have many ladies, many children, but they all are useless. पुत्रवती जुवती जग सोई, रघुपति भगतु जासु सुत होई. Whose son becomes Bhagatu Jasu Sutta hoy. Whose son becomes servant of Ramacandra. That ladies are very glorious. So I feel so glad. Lakshman very happy, took to mother's feet dust and run quick. He's thinking no another disturbance come. So Ram, Lakshman, Sita Devi start to go. Big separation. Dasrath Maharaj saying how Sita Devi can walk. She's empty feet never keeping on ground. Sita Devi's Ajodhya, two places staying. Sitting to Kausalya mother lap, otherwise sitting on palkin. She never put feet on ground. So her feet so soft. Or Ramchandra feet also very soft. Lakshman feet very soft. Pani asparsa chamabhyam. In Ramayana mentioning and Bhagavatam, Ramchandra feet, when Sita Devi is taking on hand for service, then Ramchandra feet hitting by Sita Devi's hand. So that hand feet cannot tolerate to touch. Means Ramchandra feet so soft. Sita Devi's hand so soft, feet so soft. So Dasra Maharaj said to Sumantra, bring one chariot and take to them, and after 2-3 forest darshan return to Ajodhya. Tell to Sita Devi's forest so dangerous. You stay here, stay Janakpur, but don't go to forest. At least you bring to return Sita Devi. Ramchandra ready to go. Dasrath Maharaj not telling anything, just pranam. Hey Dev, just bless me, I am going to forest. That time Kaikai bring all cloth of forest, all things of forest, and giving, you take, Maharaj will never tell you go to forest. Kaikai that time becomes so hard. Ramchandra took this all happily. No hearts, no happiness, no sad, like neutral. And start to go, sitting on chariot. All Ajodhya Vasi are saying, we have no leave to Ajodhya. We don't want to stay in Ajodhya. Ajodhya is not now Mangal. It's become a Mangal's deities, unauspicious. Because where is not Ramchandra, there what is auspicious? My Prabhu is Ramchandra. So we will all go with Ramchandra. So all Ajodhya Vasi start walk with Ramchandra. Ramchandra what can do? They walking and walking and walking. First night they stay on river, bank of river name is Tamsa river. Ajodhya Vasi also night time taking rest. They're so tired. In first time life this much hard work and this much pain and suffering, sad. So they slept. At that time Ramchandra said to Sumantra, my chariot take out from here. And he drive very carefully, no make any wheel mark. So morning they cannot realize Ajodhya Vasi which direction I went. This way only I can protect from them, avoid from them, otherwise no way. So Sumantra order of Ramchandra took this chariot night time like 3 o'clock and got more distance. Ajodhya Vasi when wake up, they could not find which direction Ramchandra went. They too much crying, rolling, so sad, returned to Ajodhya. Ramchandra came Sringverpur. There's one Nisad is staying. His name is Guhuraj. Nisad Raj. He's that area's king. Take care, ruling. He's friend of Ramchandra. When he saw my Prabhu came, he's so happy, running. Jai ho Prabhu, Jai ho, Jai ho. And all his followers running. Everyone putting on head to Ramchandra's feet and taking that dust, saying today's our area, our family, our everything purified. We never think in dream we will come my areas. Oh, we are so much fortunate. How Ajodhya can leave you, no? How Kaikai can give you this step? Banvas. Nisad becomes so sad. He make for Ram, Lakshman, Sita some asan, some making kutia small, some like how they can do quickly. And all Nisas are bringing many fruits, all forest fruits, big donuts, and put to next to Ramacandra, saying, Prabhu, we are forest people, we have only this much, accept this our offering. Ramacandra very happily took this first asnan, sandhya, bandhan, and took this. And night time when resting, then Nisad becomes so much sad and asking to Lakshman, how can Prabhu sleep on ground? If this Prabhu sleep ground, then what will do good pillows and beds, nice asans? Why Vidhata make this all? Why Ramchandra sleeping on ground? Who's sleeping always nice cot, nice bed, nice pillows? Oh, what Kaikai did? Then Lakshman saying, oh brother, no one doing nothing. What is our life come? This is our karmas. Lakshman start to some instruction that called Lakshman Gita. Ko nahu kahu kar sukh dukh kar data nija karma krita bhog sab bhrata. No one giving anyone sad and happiness. This is our activities we are suffering. Actually, Bhagwan have no any karma. What is for him? Lakshman saying for all ordinary jivas. Every jiva according to karma have to suffer. Sometimes Ram Bhagwan also for Leela this type thing accept because Narad Muni cursed to Vishnu when he want to marriage to Mohini and Vishnu Bhagwan not give him his sarupa, he give monkey face and he so much got what called jokes, hasis by Shivgan, so angry and he said to Vishnu, nice place giving these things. So he returned nicely. How I am suffering, this way also suffer. You have to go forest or you have to lost Sita like this. All things next happened. This sense Lakshman saying, maybe previous life we did some wrong. That result is coming, that reaction is coming. So don't blame to anyone. All are nimit. This is our karma. मोह निशा सब सोवन हारा देखा स्वप्न अनेक प्रकार. Oh brother, is all jivas are sleeping, illusion, night. In Bhagavad Gita saying, no, ja nisa sarva bhutanam tasyam jagrati sanjami jasyam jagrati bhutani sa nisa pasyatum. All jivas sleeping, illusions night, and so much looking dream. I become king, I get this, I will get that, I have this. But actually when real Tattva Siddhanta understand, then this world is nothing exists. So only Prabhu's lotus feet bhakti is no our goal. Don't be sad. Uma Ram Subhav Jahi Jana Tahi Bhajan Binu Bhavana Ana. See our Prabhu, how is sweet, how nice. He give everyone mercy. He came in forest and everyone giving mercy. So his nature very nice. So just do his bhajan. Don't be upset. Just do his service, seva. This will Lakshman many things telling. Morning time, Ramachandra wake up, took bath and all morning activities done, anik, everything. Then he is asked to Nisad, bring some milk of butt. Banyan, this butt tree, no? Banyan trees. So Lakshman and Nisadraj brought this milk By that milk they make on chatas, dreadlock. When Sumantra so start to crying, Ramchandra said to Sumantra, return and tell to father, he not feel any sad for me, I am happy, everything okay. Father nicely stay like this type, all things said to Sumantra. But Sumantra want to return Ajodhya, but horses are not moving, too much making sound, looking to Ramchandra. Because the Ramchandra's horses not like this. So in recognize why Prabhu is here, why I go without him. So like we are animals, this type of action, then Jivas, Ajodhya Vasi, how much love to Ramchandra. This all Ajodhya Vasi, when Ram came, stay with him. When Ram returned, went to with him. No one stay in Ajodhya. This much affection for Ram. After Ramchandra's life quickly leave that areas. Otherwise, this is very closer, no? Ajodhya Vasi again can come make disturbance, make problem. So there is one boatman. His name is Kevat. Ramchandra in life never ask anyone, give me something. But 2 days, is calling this boatman. Boatman so intoxicate his mood is in Ganga's river, boating, means moving boat and singing something. Gangari Maiya Tore Dile Hum Khaye. Oh Ganga mother, I am eating from you. You giving me everyday food. Some are doing shops, some are doing making factories, some are doing many business. But I have only one business. I just boating every day in Gangas. And what getting? This way I maintains my family. So bolo Ganga Maiya ki. Kevat ask Ram Chandra asking to Kevat, but Kevat's no sound coming. His own mood, own bhajan, his own mood, own bhajan absorb. Then when Lordly Ramchandra said, oh bhaiya Kevat, jara boat, bring boat this side. Mangi nav, Kevat nahi aana. Kahan nath maram mai jana. When Ramchandra asked to Kevat, bring your boat, Kevat said, no Prabhu, no. I will not bring my boat. Saying everyone asking, then bring boat, why not for me? Because I have no money. Kevat say, I no need any money. Money is not problem. Problem is I know your secret things. What you know? You are staying forest, I stay Ajodhya. What you know my secret? Saying I had to resist munis. Your feet is no some magic. Very surprise magic. Or that problem is your feet dust. This feet dust touched to one stone who was wife of Gautam Muni Ahilya, and she become ladies. Before was ladies, then become stone, again touching your feet dust, again become Muni Patnis, wife of Munis. So if that strong stone can change form, become ladies, then my boat is made by wood and so soft, always stay in water. So I no want to lose my boat. तरनी मुनि घरनी हो जाए, बाट पड़ी मोरी नाव उड़ाई. If my boat become ladies of munis, wife or muni, then I lose my boat. I lose my business. Then how I can maintain to my families? So Prabhu, don't do like that. Then what to do? Saying yes, solutions. जो प्रभु पार अवश्य चाह गहसी तो चरण सरोज पखारन कहसी. If you really want to cross this river, then you just permit to me clean my lotus feet, clean my feet. बिनु पाय बिनु चरण कमल धोई बिनु नाथ नाव चढ़ाइयो मोहे आन रौर सपथ दशरथ मोहे आन रौरो दशरथ सपथ सब साची कहो. Without cleaning your feet, I cannot allow you sit my boat. This promise of you and promise of Dasarat Maharaj. Baru मारहूँ लखन तीर जब लगी नाथ न पाए पखारियों तब लागी तुलसीदास न नाथ पार उतारे. Lakshman's nature little angry. He can shoot me, but I no fear to that. I die bank of Jamuna under your lotus feet, looking your face. But without cleaning your feet, I no allow you sit my boat. Ramchandra said, okay, but how your boat not lose this way behave? Okay, but very happy, bring big pot of water and start to cleaning Ramchandra's feet. Both feet putting in this pot and two hands nicely cleaning. That time, Kevat so much happy. Ati Anand Umagi Anuraga Charan Saroja Pakaranla. So much love and affection. From the sky, so much flower dropping. All rishis munis are, demigods are saying, this world, Kevat is the one number. This type fortunate, I never find. When Kevat cleaning Ramchandra lotus feet, that time is very hardly doing because he's scared if little dust is stuck somewhere, then problem comes. So he no like any dust is 10 feet. So very strongly do on this bank. Ramchandra is standing on bank, and next is Gangas, very down area. So Ramchandra is scared if I move, then I go in water. So here's no any balance. So Ramchandra says, Kevat slowly, because no balance. Kevat says, no balance, but he can make balance. My head nicely hold by your two hands like this. Then you cannot move or cannot drop. Lakshmana Sita Devi is saying, oh, this boatman's no any study, no went to any gurukuls, any universities, no any high education, but thinking more than any educated person. Simple living, high think. We life never think, even dream not this idea coming. Same times Prabhu's 2 feet or 2 hands take. His 2 feet catching and 2 hands also putting his head, taking his head. So these things when looks, they feel so happy and saying we also can understand what is bhaktis. Bhaktis not depend, no anything. No gyan, no vairag, no karma, no anything. Anywhere bhakti can go. So swatantra avalamana anatai adin ज्ञान विज्ञान न तपो भी ज्ञान न कर्म न हरि साध्यते भक्तया प्रमाणम तत्र गोपिका. By jnana, by karmas, by any way, Bhagavan not control, but you have pure bhaktis, pure heart, you can control. Like Brajas Gopis, they also know when to any university, no any high study, but they from birth, from child, love to Krishna. So Kevat from child, too much hearing Ram Katha, too much like to Ram. So Ram using his boat, कभी कभी भगवान को भक्तों से काम पड़े, जाना था गंगा पार प्रभु केवट के नाव चले. After Kevat this water, drinking Charnamrit, giving whole families, first himself crossed death and birth oceans, then he took to Ram and Lakshman Sita's on boat and crossing to this Ganga. So happy. Kevat start to singing. Today's not so much time, so just 5 minutes after this katha finish. मेरी नैया में लक्ष्मण राम, गंगा मैया धीरे बहो. मेरी नैया में लक्ष्मण राम, गंगा मैया धीरे बहो. धीरे बहो रे मैया धीरे बहो, धीरे बहो रे मैया गंगा मैया धीरे बहो. मेरी नैया में लक्ष्मण राम, गंगा मैया धीरे बहो. कौन की नैया कौन की गंगा, कौन की नैया कौन के लक्ष्मण राम, गंगा मैया धीरे बहो. कौन के लक्ष्मण राम. केवट की नैया भगीरथ की गंगा, केवट की नैया भगीरथ की गंगा. राजा दशरथ के लक्ष्मण राम, गंगा मैया धीरे बहो. दशरथ के लक्ष्मण राम गंगा मैया दी। काहे आई नैया काहे आई गंगा, काहे आई नैया काहे आई गंगा, काहे आए लक्ष्मण राम गंगा मैया धीरे बहो, काहे आए लक्ष्मण राम गंगा मैया। पाप हरे गंगा पार करे नैया, पार करे नैया पाप हरे गंगा, भक्तों के लक्ष्मण राम गंगा मैया धीरे बहो, भक्तन के सीता राम गंगा मैया धीरे बहो, मेरी नैया में लक्ष्मण राम गंगा मैया। So Kevat this happily singing and crossed to Ram, Lakshman and Sita Devi's. Nisad Raj also was sitting that boat, all cross, another side bank of Ganga they are staying. And that time Ramchandra feels so sigh. This boatman so hard labor, so much did seva, but I have nothing to pay. What I can give? Sita Devi can read Prabhu's heart, understood Prabhu's feel shy, cannot give anything kevat. That time Sita Devi, Siya Piya ke Janan Hari Mani Mudrika Man Mudita Utar. She took on finger ring. It's made by money, very expensive. But that ring give to Ramchandra's hand, or Ramchandra Prabhu took this ring and giving to Kevat. This is your rent crossing to this river. Kevat's folding hands saying, Prabhu, today what I not got, my lives and lives all shortage finish. Prabhu, don't be worried. Because we are same caste. This is rule, same caste. Lakshman feeling, what is Kevat doing? Before too much tell to Ramchandra this, that, and now saying same caste. Is boatman, we are Ajodhya's king, Ajodhya's Rajkumar. Saying as per we know, he also boating, I also boating. Only different, I boating just a small river, this material world, crossing Jivas this side to Dead Sea side, and he crossing to whole Jiva, material world to transcendental world. Taking your boat. Like this bhajan no ke javi re bhai, bhava sindhu par, dhanna kali juge re chaitanya avatar, amare gaurange re ghat, adan kheya vai, jada anda atura avadhi par hai, hari naam nauka khani, Sri Guru Kandari, Sankirtan kerual du bahu pasai, sab jiva par helo premere batase, padiya rahilo lochan apanare. So when I will come your ghat, that time you must cross to me. Prabhu gave him Bhakti's Vardhan. The Ram, Lakshman, Sita walking, went to Prayagraj. They are meeting to Bhardwaj, asking to Bhardwaj. Bhardwaj welcome. Then Ram asked to him, which direction I can go? Because from here many way, many side, many road. Which way I walk? Because he know Marga. Mahajano Jen Gata Sapantha. Valmiki saying, Prabhu, which way you go, that is way. What he will teach, that become bhaktis, that become dharmas. Jad jad achrati srestha tadeva itrojana sajat pramanam kurutes lokas tadnu vartat. These all kathas you will hear next Thursday. Because now time is over. After Ramchandra came to Valmiki ashram, he are asking, tell me to obey. And when we went to Valmiki ashram, the Ramchandra asking, tell me where I can stay. So this all Tattvas Katha hearing after how Bharat came in Chitrakoot. Visit this all sweet Kathas will hear next Thursday, or maybe one Katha more Sunday. Then after another Katha will speak, because 3-4 times hear this Ram Kathas. Shortly, briefly, because this unlimited Kathas, Hari Ananta, Hari Katha Ananta. So just little touching these Kathas, purify to ourselves. Gurudevs like these Kathas. What we heard from Gurudevs, this all be reciting, telling, feel happy, thinking this is mercy of Gurudevs. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu bhayavacha patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय, श्री राम लक्ष्मण जानकी देवी की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल।